Hello, this is Advertise. Today I'm going to talk about 7 ways to advertise for your business. First way is direct mail. Direct mail is okay, you write type out a document explaining your business to people, collect their mailing addresses online or from the yellow page, and then mail out to them. And you can do like bulk mail, which you could probably send like a few hundred to 1,000 of them. Negotiate a contract with USPS so you can get a good rate on it. And then that's mostly how customers figure out what your products you're selling or services and where your location is. And if they want to order from you, they can do mail-in order or go physically to your store, or right now you can do it online. And the second way is social networking through like social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so forth. You advertise you can create a business like a group for advertising your business, or you can post on the story and share it with your friends, or you can do it on Messenger. Each one is like the more people you send email to or use through social media, the more people like you can use it for advertising, like for videos, products and services you're offering, like links to the website, and you can also advertise for blogging to explain about experience or something about product or service. Next one is advertise newspaper. Newspaper charges you based on how many word count and how big section. Like you say, you can do a small section, $100 per week. That's why I got a quote for Washington Post, but for this year, 2020, but it may have changed or not. Advertising newspaper, a lot of people read newspaper. Mostly about 30-40% people read newspaper. So you'll get the age bracket between 40 to 85 if it's based on your target market. If not, you can do it online, like using social media. The next way is doing a radio show, like advertising, like interview on a radio. If like pay a little money, your first slot, radio will play like usually your music and then plays ads, but they rotate every day about, so they limit how many ads they can play per day. And radios run 24 hours, so you can do the AM, which is like the morning time from 8 to about like 5 to 12, and then we're the FM. FM starts like in the afternoon around like 2 o'clock and then all the way to about midnight. And that's like pretty much word of mouth, pretty much spread the news. Another way is word of mouth. It's like people tell their friends, family, teachers, and so forth about your product services and give their contact information to them. So you'll have like referral business. Referral business is a good way to for new businesses in the market. Another way is videos. You can do like a video and then post on YouTube or Daily Motions or TikTok, and or you can record on the phone. First, if you want to do a video, all you gotta do is have a laptop, a camera, voice recorder, a headphone, and have an online YouTube account or Daily Motion. You just post online describing product services, put a description. YouTube gives you about like 5,000 word count, so use it all to give as much detail about your product services so people know what's about, the location, where can purchases, online through a website. Right. The the next one is TV, and the last one is TV station. TV station, they can place your ad, but minimum cost is about $1 million for a 30-second ad. So that's only if you're like that's for not for new businesses. That's mostly for like a business already expanded, like over instead of like one store, you have already over 10,000 stores in the U.S. and overseas. Then you can consider spending $1 million. So like, every day, like the news, right? Like 15-minute record the news, about 2 or 3 minutes for the ads. Now I'm gonna show you an example online. This one is Info USA. They provide 1 free month of giving you free ads plus $150 uh, like credit to spend on Google Ads to advertise for your products and services online. And you can call them, and they're open Monday through Friday. They follow Central Standard Time. Okay. You can. They also give you like resource like you can track number of calls, how is it doing online on your website, and then you can customize it your website, create a website from them. They will build it for you, custom made. You can learn more, or you can use Wix to create an online website for your store. You just have to enable some parts for like purchasing, and then publish the website, and then share it on social media to get fast. And also post on like YouTube videos, like put it under your video, like links to the website, or post on someone else's video, like related with the content. And you can track results online, and also I think on the mobile app. First thing you do is fill out a form. First name, last name, business name, phone number, email address, and an expert will contact you or can call. This company is like copyright 2020, but the company is about, let's see the about section. They're 50 years. The company is about 50 years old. You can also, they have 100% secure lock, so it's 100% legit website. Another way is you can do Amazon affiliate. I have a video on Amazon affiliate. I'll provide the link to my video, and I have a lot of other videos that you can advertise your products or services. So Amazon affiliate, you can use it to make additional income to advertise for your business, like what software you use for your business, camera, laptop, all that stuff to advertise for your business, and you can promote the products you use on like what they have on Amazon, and then sell to customers, and you can make a small commission between 1 to 10% based on the type of products you sell and the category it fits in. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.